Are you interested in buying or selling a condominium? Well, make sure you're working with the absolute expert condo real estate professional in the market. Call Drew Taylor. Condos help deliver the calming feeling of peace and tranquility, whether it's the tall ceilings, the beautiful designed rooms, or the feeling of community within your environment. The right real estate professional can make the process of buying or selling a condo as smooth as humanly possible. So make sure you call that condo expert today. Call Drew Taylor.